The 2025 Mahindra Marazzo marks a significant step forward for the brand in the MPV segment, blending comfort, practicality, and performance in a refined and family-friendly package. While Mahindra is typically associated with rugged SUVs, the Marazzo stands out for its road-focused dynamics, spacious interior, and premium features. For 2025, Mahindra has introduced subtle yet meaningful updates that make the Marazzo more competitive in a market that's quickly evolving. From the outside, the Marazzo retains its signature shark-inspired design theme, but with sharper lines and a slightly more aggressive front grille. The headlights now feature projector LEDs with integrated DRLS, giving it a more modern and upscale appearance. The bumper has been tweaked for better aerodynamics, and new dual-tone alloy wheels enhance its visual appeal. The MPV continues to offer a commanding stance with a balanced proportion that doesn't feel bulky or overdone. Under the hood, the 2025 Marazzo is powered by the same reliable 1.5-liter diesel engine, which now comes with improved tuning for better fuel efficiency and reduced emissions. This BS6 Phase 2 compliant engine produces around 121 bhp and 300 Nm of torque, providing adequate power for both city commuting and highway cruising. While there's still no automatic transmission on offer, the 6-speed manual gearbox is smooth and well suited for the engine's power band. Mahindra claims improved NVH, noise, vibration, and harshness levels, and the Marazzo indeed feels quieter and more refined on the move. Step inside, and the cabin reflects Mahindra's focus on comfort and convenience. The 2025 model gets a refreshed dashboard layout with soft touch materials and better fit and finish. A new 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system now supports wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, along with connected CarTech and voice commands. The instrument cluster has been partially digitized, offering clearer readouts and a more contemporary look. One of the Marazzo's strongest suits remains its space and seating configuration. Available in both 7 and 8-seater layouts, it offers excellent headroom, legroom, and shoulder space in all 3 rows. The captain seat option in the 7-seater variant adds a touch of luxury, while the flat floor design ensures comfort for all passengers. Rear AC vents, USB charging ports, and cup holders are thoughtfully placed, highlighting the practicality for long journeys. Safety has also been given due importance in the 2025 Marazzo. It comes with dual front airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors, a rear view camera, and ISOFIX child seat mounts as standard. Higher variants add features like cornering lamps and a tire pressure monitoring system. While some newer rivals may offer ADAS features, Mahindra focuses on proven safety fundamentals, which are more than adequate for its target audience. In conclusion, the 2025 Mahindra Marazzo continues to be a solid choice for families and fleet operators looking for a dependable, spacious, and comfortable MPV. It may not offer the flashiest features or the most powerful engine in its class, but it delivers where it matters: practicality, reliability, and value. With its refreshed design, improved technology, and trusted mechanicals, the Marazzo remains a strong contender in the Indian MPV landscape.